Starting off with number 1, context window. When using DALL-E 3, remember it is akin to talking to an actual artist. More on that later. So give it details about your game, like the idea, whether it be theme, plot, environment, name. The more articulate keyword here, details, the better. See, telling a Wikipedia worth of information won't help, but instead overload it with too many details. So always balance the details with conciseness. If done, gives it a framework / understanding to go by, applying it next to what you need to define, the asset you want to create. So now all you have to do is specify the character, environment, weapon, or item you like to create. The key here is to create in bulk. So think sprite sheet over a white background. This gives you consistency and the best results. Example, hey, I am a game developer working on Galactic Frontier, a 16-bit pixel art space adventure JRPG. I need you to create asset art designed against a white background. Its theme is exploration and survival, with a plot centered around humanity's expansion into space, establishing colonies and facing challenges from hostile aliens and environmental threats. The environment spans diverse star systems, including unique planets, moons, and space stations, from barren wastelands to resource-rich worlds. Just say okay if you read and understood. Stay tuned, because later I will show you a way to make this process 10x easier. Number 2, language. People forget DALL-E 3 is partially based off language models, giving it the ability to take in language and accurately follow it out so well. So in this way, I suggest thinking about it more as an active dialogue, taking into account the visual language you use. Helps out a lot here, specifically using vivid adjectives, which gives the most precision, for good or bad. So the best practice is to be conscious of when and how you use them. For example, generate an image of an enormous ant about the size of a house cat sitting on a kitchen counter next to a regular sized sugar cube. Enormous has no reason being there and only conflates the prompt. Cutting it out would more accurately describe the intended image. So remember, it's about ultimately communicating the visual sensory experience. Always keep that in mind. Number 3, color palette. To get desirable results, specify you want your assets in black and white. Now I hear you typing, what? But keep following, it will make sense soon. Now after the aforementioned steps above to create your assets, download them. Then go to palette.fm, a free AI colorization tool made for an array of customizable palettes. Sign up and then upload your chosen image. First thing of note is the filters. You have 2 options: modern filters, clean, balanced, and an analog touch. Vibrant filters, colorful, diverse, and a bit of a retro. Next are the 21 palette options to choose from, with colorful memories, pastel note, and radiant rainbow being my favorites. Next is the settings tab, the palette prompt editor. Take this example for instance, a photo showcasing an array of spacecraft designs with a strong yellow and black color palette, exuding a feel of advanced technology and space readiness. Here are a few prompting tips. 1. First, describe the image, then the colorization. 2. Use simple color names like yellow, blue, green versus Saint Linen or gunmetal. 3. Take advantage of the back and forth arrows, making it easy to iterate. Bonus tip, as promised, is using custom GPT, or in simple terms, a pre-prompted chatbot. This will do most of the work for you, so you can focus on creating. Linked in the description is a custom GPT that does just that. All you need is a ChatGPT Plus account and boom. It's the best one I found, giving you the best and most tailored results. But if you like art like this, go to Ben Fun Art to go bring your ideas beyond concepts. This is your guy. Fiverr top choice. Linked in the description. Thank you for watching.